Okay, working on a little video for the layout and how I actually bent these lower edge rails. To get this detail here, I marked out the sheet. This is the cut line. This is the break line. I used an 1.25 inch hole saw. I cut these holes out prior to bending anything, and then that gave me my start point for cutting this piece out, which gives me my straight edge there. We'll go over to the break, and I'll go through the steps I went through. Okay. Set on the brake line. This will get broke to approximately 80 degrees. Next, I'm going to take a piece of 1/2 inch rebar that I used for forming the start to the bead. This clamped in. Now, the reason I left the sheet long was so that I had leverage for working it through this bend process. Get it bent down flat. Release the brake. I can reclamp this. Right on the edge. Continue to bend down. We now have about half of the bend put in it. Release again. Reclamp it. Continue it back. So now I can release the brake all the way. This was a little tough on those 40-inch pieces. Get it started underneath. Push it in tight. Pull the brake down. Might get a little loud here. Pull this down so it pinches it. By using the slapper and the hammer, I'm taking the memory out of the steel, which is going to allow it to stay completely shut. There you have the finished piece. The bends. I then come through and I zip cut through both layers to here, flipped it over, continued the edge, so I ended up with the scallop on the end here and a nice straight edge. Okay, that was quite, I cleaned up these two edges. It gives me the nice scallop. That's pretty much how it happened, Doc.